Hello guys, what's up? Today we are making donuts and not for any reason either. We are not making it because we just wanted to make. We wanted to make it because you know what, Dad? It reminds me of ice, right? Like a new telescope. Maybe we can use donuts as glasses.
Colorful telescope.
Oh yeah, that's very true. We can just use donuts. So make sure to like this video if you think donuts are definitely glasses. Then let's begin.
Don't talk too much, guys. Let's go.
With the ingredients. Okay guys, so I was just checking through our subscriber list for the past few days. I didn't find any of your names. Why? We are making really good content for you guys, right? Come on. Make sure to subscribe to our channel because it's really good. And that's not it. Don't forget to always click the bell button. Ding! Because you can see every video which we watch and you'll get notified as well. And that's not it. Make sure to like the video, every video which you watch, and share to your friends. Thank you.
The ingredients are plain flour, egg, dry yeast, whole milk, unsalted butter, sugar, salt. These are the ingredients for making donut frosting. Icing sugar, sugar strand, vanilla essence, red food color. Guys, I will show you how to make a perfect dough. First, take around 50 ml of lukewarm milk, then add 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 1 and 2. Also need to add around 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then mix it very well and keep aside for at least 3 minutes. Meanwhile, place a bowl, add 2 cups of plain flour. Also add 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 whole egg. Also going to add around 2 teaspoons of butter, which means diluted butter. The yeast almost fermented now. I'm going to add the mixture into the bowl. Then mix it very well to make a fine dough. Then I'm going to add the remaining milk into the bowl to make a proper texture of the dough. Make sure we have to knead the dough until become a fine texture. The dough is ready. Now I'm going to rest the dough at least 1 hour.
Alright.
Dough almost ready.
Now we are going to be using these. Isn't it, Dad?
Also this dough cutter.
Yeah.
Big, small, big, small.
Oh, it's a coin?
Now I'm going to remove the cling film. Nice.
It smells actually kind of funny.
Now I'm going to sprinkle the flour
Nice, you can make some art.
and take out the...
What do you guys think what I made? Does this look like a 2 or a Z?
Yes.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
How big is it?
I'm going to cut the dough.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, it sticks very nice as well, Dad.
Yeah.
It looks like you're making a pizza now.
Yeah, it's almost pizza based dough, but it's
That's
different.
not what we are making today, Daddy. We are not making a pizza donut. We are making a donut. That's it.
Donuts. Okay, this is size. So now I'm going to cut. I'll show you how to cut it.
Nice.
Cut this. Okay.
That's some precise measurement.
And
A small one.
cut in the middle.
Oh yes, again.
Yes. Okay. Remove the middle. Also need to cut another one. So I'm going to remove the excess part of the dough. Then I will make into another dough. This, so we have to adjust the size. Also remove this part. Like that. Now I'm going to rest the dough again another 30 minutes. The remaining dough I'm going to knead again to make it another dough balls. Remove the center part. Then remove the excess dough as well. Make a nice shape. You can continue the process till the dough has been completely finished. Now I will show you how to make a simple frosting for donuts. Take a bowl, add icing sugar and add 3 spoons of warm milk. And I'm going to add a few drops of vanilla essence, then mix it very well. This is a basic frosting, so if you want you can add red food color, chocolate sauce, anything you like it. After 30 minutes all the donuts properly rised. Now I'm going to fry the donuts. Finally I'm going to fry the donuts. Already I kept the pan for frying, so just keep like that. Here 2, 3. It's ready now. Wow, nice. One mini donut we have to fry exactly like this. Very hot, careful guys.
Dad, this does not look like a donut to me. Where is the color? When will you add it?
Donuts minimum we have to wait around 10 to 15 minutes. So once the donuts always cool down, then only we can do the frosting. So my frosting is ready, my donuts also ready. So come guys, I will show you how to finish the product. Okay. Nuts, just dip it here and just slightly rotate it and take it like that. One. Going to do one. Like this. Add some red food color. Like this. Then mix it very well to make a nice color. Like this. Going to add another one. Just rotate it so that color evenly spread the donuts. Going to sprinkle the sugar star. Right. Add some sugar star here. So now the third donuts are going to make Nutella. Okay, so the exactly same recipe. So just add some Nutella into that. Like that. 1 and 2. Just twist it. Then little shake it. Like that. The last one is sugar donut. That means icing sugar. Just sprinkle the icing sugar on top of this. Done.
Looks like my dad made 4 different types and I know which one will be my favorite. The chocolate one, isn't it guys? Oh, different colors I can see. That's brown. That's it sprinkled and white. Interesting. Some icing. And finally red. Nice dad. I wonder what the flavors are. Looks like it's tasting time. And what is this in my hand? It's icing sugar. Icing sugar.
This is your favorite. You know what is that?
Chocolate donut.
Chocolate.
But condensed Nutella, I know that.
Nutella. Okay.
But I consider it as chocolate because it should be.
Anyway, I will try this also. Sugar. Nice.
This is so. My state of mind has just changed.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you mean you change your state of mind?
I had expectations, but this is something beyond what I could imagine, guys. It's really good. No, it's like something that I cannot explain. It's something that will blow your mind as well, guys. But to make it blow your mind, you need to make this. And my dad showed you all the instructions for all types of donuts, isn't it, Dad?
Yeah, very easy.
It's really easy. I know what? It melts like, oh, this looks so nice. So guys, you saw us make this food. So can you follow the instructions and you can make it. Also, give us a comment to see and we will reply to some of you. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, share this video to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Hey, what are you laughing at? And don't forget to hit that bell button. Cling! Don't forget. Now, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.